Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're joining us for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today we'll be diving right into the market and seeing what gold has for us for the week. So sit back, relax, and let's get straight right into the video. Market in focus this week. So let's go into our higher time frame. So I will be using our indicator to get the focus as well, because I don't want to have to do too many explaining why this is this and why that is that. So we've seen what we did all through last week. So I'm going to take all of this out and I will turn on our indicator. So this is why I think price is bullish. Okay, so I have this. Now I'm waiting for a third candle breakout, which is the new week candle, which is supposed to come up tomorrow, right? So this level has to complete 3 before we can start looking for a bearish. So I'm going into my daily time frame, and then our daily, we're still on the uptrend. From weekly, we already have the direction that it is an uptrend. So daily focus, we had the buy indicator give us buy here. Yeah, we have all of this, which is still a buy trend. So I'm just going to map out a few zones. I'm sorry, I would like to put this out there. I am not so familiar with all of the trading terminologies, right? I know what I know and it's working for me, and I'm going to talk like that. I hope you guys understand. That. So on our daily time frame, like I said, our indicator here still tells us it is a buy. Until I see a sell from the indicator, I am not gonna do any other thing. What do we expect to happen this week? So for NFP, if you were in the last session we had, this is how the market actually works. So you might want to write this down. What NFP does is it goes in the false direction. See, this is our chart, right? Now, based on analysis for the week, we have that, and this is what you will see. So if price is going like this, now NFP drops because it is a bullish trend, right? NFP drops in the opposite direction with a spike down, and then when it drops down, it now dances around that low, but it will most likely not cross the low. But there are instances where sometimes it will cross that low, right? But if it doesn't cross the low, that can be the new low for NFP, right? You can now set your stop loss there if you want to take the trade. But usually what I like to do is after NFP drops, I wait till maybe 3 o'clock, because NFP drops 2:30 Nigerian time. Once NFP drops, it drops down and then it creates that low and then it dances around. Then 3 o'clock, you see it's going in the right direction. Now, the right direction is going to cross where it dropped from. Remember I said you should map out that zone. It's going to cross where it dropped from and then continue going up. Now, where is NFP going to? NFP is going to the previous high and then tap that previous high and then come back down a bit, back to where it spiked from, and then continue in that trend till it gets back to that high and dances around to create a new high. So the reason why I said you should map out where it spiked out from is because this can be your possible entry at 3 o'clock, because once it's 3 o'clock, NFP goes in the right direction. So this can be your entry. So what I usually would advise is after the news drops, you can set a buy limit or a sell limit or a sell stop or a buy stop, right? For that's your preferred zone or you want to enter from, right? You set it, and then when price gets there, it takes it and then it rides. So all of these things I've explained here, I'll show you on the chart. Now this indicator is also accessible to everyone. It's completely free, but there's a requirement. You need to have a registered account with our referral link on XNext. Now all the trades we give are completely free. Honestly, I don't know why I picked this as my low, but I know price wasn't going to cross this point. But price didn't get here, but I mapped this out as my low and I set my entry point on the group. Somewhere around here was where I set my entry point. Why? Because I knew it was going to buy, but I knew that if it was going to buy, you have to have that reversal first, all of that. So, which was what happened there and which is what I explained. So price spiked down, and then dance, and then went up. And then I said it was going to come down after it creates a new high or crosses the former high. So another reason why I put my price around that point was because before NFP, price was ranging around there. Price gets to a particular point. Now, all of these are based on observation I've observed over time trading the NFP news, right? So price was ranging around there. You could check the group. I posted the picture on the group, right? I posted it and I said price wasn't going to cross that zone, and at 130 it would have a spike down, and then when price spikes down, it would go up. It will continue the buy direction. So for this week, what are we expecting to happen? So like I said, we're still on the buy trend, and because CPI is this week, we have CPI 2 days. We have CPI Monday and we have CPI Tuesday. Another thing I've observed for CPI is that if CPI 1 goes in the buy direction, CPI 2, that's for the next day, goes in the opposite direction. So for CPI on Monday, if CPI on Monday is going to go bullish, CPI on Tuesday will go bearish. But because I have told us that we are on a bullish trend, this is my new low and this is my high. So what am I expecting from CPI tomorrow? So now I am expecting price from where it is to most likely drop after during the CPI news. I'm expecting price to drop. Because it is a bullish trend, I'm expecting price to come to this place. That is why this is mapped out here. This is my my focus for the goal for the bullish trend. This is where price is going to come to. Oh shit, deleted all of the other ones. So I have this in focus. Now this is where price closed on Friday. I'm going into my H4 now. Now I have price here from where price stopped. A new candle opens on the new day and then dances around here. Most likely going to range, right? It would range around this zone. Then when CPI drops, it will drop all the way, say maybe 100, 200 pips. Because we are on a bullish trend, I expect CPI 1 to sell. It goes down. There is every possibility that it might likely come back and test this low that is created here, right? So when all of that is happening, it would cross this part. If it crosses here, then it should get to somewhere around here. I don't know how many pips this is, but of course the focus is 100, 200 pips, right? Bearing in mind that our daily target is 50 pips. But 100, 200 is after we've secured our 50 pips daily target. We can now decide to continue running. Our goal still hasn't changed. Our target daily is 50 pips, but on a long run for swing trading, I said we're going to be doing a lot of swing trading this year. On a long run for swing trading, our target for swing trading is 500 pips. Now, in between that 500 pips, we would have 100, 200, 300 till you get to 500. And then the uptrend back. So we would have this all the way, cross this point, and maybe hit this target. Now, when it hits this target, then we can now start anticipating what is next in line for gold. And I think that, I hope that by then, our indicator would have told us, okay, what is the next step to take, right? But this is my expected target for gold to reach. But for tomorrow, CPI news will give us a sell trend, and then when that sell trend completes later in the day, we will get the buy confirmation from the second CPI news the following day, and then we can ride it all the way to the top. Hello, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next episode.